र हिजो भनेको थिए कि इन नेपाल देयर वाज ऑल टुगेदर हाउ मेनी प्रोभिन्स आर देयर? 7. Yes, one by one it is going to be situated from the eastern to western side. Eastern side देखि माने पूर्वदेखि लिएर पश्चिमी भागतिर यो तन्केर बसेको छ है. So continuing of that topic upon there, we have discussed about that the first province, that is the province number 1, त्यसको बारेमा पढेको थिए. And continuing of that topics, no, yesterday I have discussed, I think, and even I have said you to take the screenshot. So there is going to say that altogether 17.6% area is going to be that combined in the province number 1. 17% area यो province number 1 ले cover गरेको छ. Population पनि नेपालको छ नि 2,64,94,504. त्यसको 17.12% population cover गरेको छ. All together 14 district लाई यसले combine गरेको छ. त्यसपछि 137 rural local level of government हामी पढेको थियो नि 753 वटा छ. त्यो मध्ये 137 वटा कहाँ छ भने province number 1 मा. र यसको हेड क्वार्टर कुन छ? दैट इज द विराटनगर. र यसको हामी maximum information हामी हिजो लिइसकेको थियो. Today we will continue the province number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like there. Let's see how much province it will be discussed. So try to come on the topic and let's come the province number 2. Okay. So first of all, take the map. See the map, and according to the map, you can able to see there that once again that if you talk about the province number 2, so there is going to say that it is once again situated in the only the Tarai area of Nepal. There, not in the hilly area, not in the mountain area, not in the another area, but in the Tarai area. No, Tarai one, it means Nepal's southern part. नेपालको southern part त्यो पनि province number 1 को western side तिर यो एरिया सिचुएटेड भएको छ. नेपालको म्यापमा तिमी हेर्न सक्छौ जुन कालो एरिया छ नि कालो, you are going to see, I think, so that is the area is going to be combined in the province number 2. Going to listen? Whose sound is coming from background? Okay, now they are going to say that according to the book, if you talk about there, then they are going to say that in the eastern part of the state number 2, that is the Saptari, then after the Sirha, then after the Dhamsa, then after the Mahtari, Sarlahi, Ruthat, Bara, and up to the Parsa. Altogether 8 districts are combined in the province number 2. Province number 2 ma, province number 1 ma 14 district थियो भने province number 2 मा कतिवटा छ? Altogether 8 districts are there. That is the Saptari, Sirha, Dhamsa, Mahtari, Sarlahi, Rothat, Bara, Parsa. So that area is going to be situated in the province number 2, and we are also going to live in the province number 2 only. So maximum information you have, I think, but also try to take the help from the book. According to the table, they are going to say that the total area of the province number 2 is, that is the 6.56% of the Nepal. And Nepal ko jati area cha 1,47,141 square kilometer. So from there, 6.56% only area is going to be situated inside of the province number 2. At the same, त्यो सानो एरियामा population हेर कति situated भएको छ. So total population is, that is the 20% or 20.4% peoples of the Nepal is situated inside of the province number 2 there. Province number 2 मा एरिया कम छ तर मान्छे खादिएर बसेको छ है. खादिएर बस्नुको अर्थ एकदमै क्राउडेड एरिया छ यो भन्नु पर्यो. All together 8 districts are there. That is the Saptari, Sirha, Dhamsa, Mahtari, Sarlahi, Rothat, Bara, Parsa. That is the area are there. All together local 753 वटा थियो नि 753. From there 136 local level of government is there. From that 59 rural municipality, 73 municipality, 3 sub-metropolitan city, and 1 metropolitan city is situated inside of the province number 2. And the headquarter up to now, headquarter भनेको राजधानी भनौं, यहाँको मेन एरिया भनौँ जहाँ अफिसियल वर्कर हुँदै रहेछ, that is the Janakpur. It is going to be located up to now. Now that is the short information out there, but try to take the according to the book. They're going to say province number 2 is lied in the middle tarai of the country. It has more cultivable land compared to the other province. भन्छ कि यो एरिया नि तराई एरियामा सिचुएट भएको छ, तराईको पनि मिडल एरियामा सिचुएट भएको छ र इट इज द मोर कल्टिभेबल. कल्टिभेबल भनेको खेती योग्य, खन्ने योग्य भनौँ न, खेती योग्य जग्गा. फर्टाइल ल्यान्ड वी आर गोइङ टु लिसन इन द इंग्लिश आई थिंक. सो फर्टाइल और द एलुभियल ल्यान्ड इज सिचुएटेड and it is the maximum area there where we can able to cultivate the land, we can able to grow the various types of crops, we can able to get the benefited from the agriculture. To the north of this province here lies the dense forest in the Chure range upon there. Chure range, do you know, dear student, do you know the meaning of the Chure range? Chure range कसैलाई थाहा छ? Hello students.
Sir.
You know the meaning of the Chure range? Chure range भनेको just the तराईको जति एरिया छ नि त्यसको ठ्याक्कै नर्थ पार्टमा त्यो माउन्टेनियस चाहे स्मल हिल्सहरु स्थित भएको छ. तिमीहरु काठमाडौँ जाने बेलामा हेरेको थियौ रोडको छेउमा सानो सानो पहाडहरु देखिरहेको छ. त्यो तराईको एरियाको जस्ट साइडमा स्थित भएको छ. म्हणजे जहाँसम्म तराईको छ नि पार्टहरु त्यसको जस्ट साइडमा स्थित भएको छ. त्यो माउन्टेनहरु कस्तो छ, त्यो हिल्सहरु कस्तो छ भने स्यान्ड, पेबल्स एन्ड सोइल तीनवटाको मिक्सअप छ. त्यस्तो एरियालाई हामी के भनेर चिन्छौं? चुरे रेन्ज भनेर. त्यो चुरे रेन्ज जसलाई अर्को नाम छ महाभारत रेन्ज पनि. सो इट इज सिचुएटेड इन द यो प्रोभिन्सको नर्थर्न पार्टमा के सिचुएट भएको छ भने चुरे रेन्ज सिचुएट भएको छ. त्यसपछि यसको इस्टर्न पार्टमा के सिचुएट भएको छ भने प्रोभिन्स नम्बर 1 सिचुएट भएको छ. यसको साउथर्न पार्टमा के सिचुएट भएको छ भने इन्डियन बोर्डर सिचुएट भएको छ. एन्ड वेस्टर्न पार्ट दे आर गोइङ टु सिचुएटेड, that is the province number 5. Okay, so in this way that is the total boundary, total four-sided boundary is going to be said according to the province number 2. Now we are going to say here no in the province number 2 the maximum different type of the caste are there, different type of the cultures are there, different type of the languages are there. From that what types of the peoples are living here, try to mind according to the book. They are going to the majority of the population, धेरै जसो मान्छे दे बिलोंग्स टु द मधेसी कम्युनिटी. सर्टेनली यो प्रोभिन्समा नि बढी जसो मान्छे मधेसी छ. मधेसीमा पनि यादव, थारू, दलित, मुस्लिम, ब्राह्मण, such a caste are there who belongs from the मधेसी कम्युनिटी. पहाडी सोसाइटीको मान्छे यहाँ कम छ. त्यसपछि ल्याङ्ग्वेज इफ यु टक अबाउट देयर देन नेपाली, that is the all over the Nepal going to speak, but after the Nepali language, beside the Nepali language, Bhojpuri language, Maithili language, Bajika language, such a language is going to be used inside of the province number 2. यहाँको मेजर भाषाहरुमा पढ्न गयो. लोकल भाषा चाहे मेजर भाषा भनौं न, नेपाली त पुरै नेपालकै लागि भयो, तर त्यो बाहेक मैथिली, भोजपुरी, बजिका, such a names are there of the language name that is going to speak in the province number 2. At the same, you found that no inside of the province number 2 there are the various type of the religious sites are also there. That is the Ram Janaki temple, which is very famous in the India and Nepal both country. At the same, Chinmasta temple, Kankali temple, Gadhimai temple, such a temples are there which are going to situate in the province number 2. Now industrial products, fishery, agricultural products, etc. are contributing a lot of GDP of the Nepal. Birganj, a gateway of the country of the foreign trade, also lies in this province, which collect the highest revenue in the country. तर भन्छ यो प्रोभिन्स को कुरा गर्छ भने इन्डस्ट्री पनि छ तर टन नै छैन है, त्यो भन्न मिल्दैन, टन नै छैन, छ. एट द सेम फिशरी, फिशी भनेको माछा पालन, एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्ट, such a things are going to make no our economic prosperous upon there. Economic development को लागि यहाँ tourism industry अलिअलि छ, त्यो रिलिजियस साइट अनुसार. त्यसपछि इन्डस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्ट छ, फिशरी छ, एग्रीकल्चर छ, जसले गर्दाखेरि यो एरियाको मान्छेहरु आफ्नो इकोनोमिक डेभलप गर्न सकेको छ. And you found that the Birganj, which is known as the gateway of the country of foreign trade, and विदेश बाट कुनै पनि सामान ल्याउनको लागि एउटा नेपालको गेटवे भनेर चिनिन्छ वीरगञ्जलाई, त्यो पनि भाग्यवश प्रदेश नम्बर 2 मै छ। एन्ड according to that we are going to collect the various tax or revenue from that gateway from there. And the more going to say that the Janakpur, Simra, Chandranigapur, Lahan, Rajbiraj, etc. are the important trade centers of this province. Parsa Wildlife Reserve Center and Kosi Tapu Wildlife Reserve Center are contributing in the conservation of the wildlife and the tourism development for there. Here going to say, you'll talk the more about that province. So they the various trade center, business centers there like the Janakpur, Simra, Chandranigapur, Lahan, then after the Rajbiraj, then after the Birganj already become there. At the same that the Pathlaya, such a place are there which are the major trade centers of the province number 2. And the same for the tourism point of view, tourism development for there. That is the Parsa Wildlife Reserve Center, Kosi Tapu Wildlife Reserve Center. They are going to contribute their work for conservation of the wildlife and the flora and fauna. Do you know the means of the flora and fauna? Do you know the means of the flora and fauna? Dear student, flora and fauna means what you come there? Different types of the plants and the animals. Plants and animals is going to be called there the flora and
sir.
Yes. So that is going to situate in the province number 2. At the same, they are going to say that agricultural, tourism, service, trade, manufacturing, etc. are the major occupation of this province. Construction and operation of railway certainly with the helpful to improve the life standard of the peoples in this province of India. यो प्रिन्समा अरु जे जस्तो छ त्यो छदै छ, टुरिज्म छ, त्यसपछि एग्रीकल्चर. यस प्लिज.
Sir, I had some network problem, so can you repeat it again, sir?
From the first
line. No, sir.
Okay, sure.
The last sentence.
Okay, sure. First mind it there. For the I am going to say the whole in the short way. Try to mind it. Okay, they are going to say the what type of peoples are living. So here peoples are especially belongs from the Madhesi community, like the Yadav, Brahman, then after the that Muslim, then after the Tharu, such a caste are going to live. At the same, if you talk about there, no, so there the various type of the religious sites are there. The religious site भनेको धार्मिक स्थल, like that the Janki temple, Gadhimai temple, Chinmasta temple, then after the Kankali temple, such a temples are there which are the major religious sites of the province number 2. At the same, the people who are going to live in this area, no, their major economic work, economic activities are that is the tourism, agriculture, services, trade, business, and the manufacturing. So such a work by doing upon there, they are going to survive in the province number 2. Now the last line is going to say, in this province, no, the various type of the construction project, like that the construction of the railway, construction of the railway, then after the maximum industry or the different of the industry, which are going to support to us, help to us to improve the life standard of the peoples in this province number there. Which province? Province number 2. So that is the detailed information is given about the province number 2. Now it's coming the another province number 3 भनेर पनि चिनिन्छ र अर्को नाम छ यसको बागमती province. So Bagmati province is going to located by looking the map you can able to see कि province number 2 छ नि, यो province number 2 त्यसको ठ्याक्कै north तिर, north भनेको माथि भयो, ठ्याक्कै माथि तिर रहेको छ, माथि भनेको नर्थर्न पार्टमा सिचुएट भएको छ. प्रोभिन्स नम्बर 2 को नर्थर्न साइडमा बागमती प्रोभिन्स रहेको छ. and you can able to see the map of the province number 3 or the Bagmati province, and they are going to say in this province, no, they are the altogether 13.79% area is going to located. 13.79% area is going to located in the province number 3 or the Bagmati province. Population is there, that is also the very high density inside of there, that is the 20.87%. The number of the district are, that is the 13 district are there from the 77. In province number 2 there was only the 8 district was there, but here no, altogether 13 district are there. That is the Dolkha, Ramechhap, Sindhli, Kabri Planchuk, Sindhupalchuk, Raswa, Nuakot, Dhading, Chitwan, Makwanpur, Bhaktapur, Lalitpur, Kathmandu. So such a area, such a districts are going to located, situated inside of the Bagmati province. At the same, the number of the local government altogether, how many are there? 753. So 753 from there, 119 local level of government is situated inside of there. From that, rural municipality altogether 74 are there. 41 municipality are there, 1 sub-metropolitan city are there, and 3 metropolitan city are there. And headquarter up to now, it is defined, or the possible probable headquarter is up to now, that is the Hattora, it is going to be announced there. Now let's take the more information about that province. So most of the of this province is hilly and mountainous. Gauri Shankar, Langtang, Jugal, Ganesh mountain are the important mountains present in this province upon there. भन्छ यो province नि नेपालको नर्थर्न पार्टमा सिचुएट भएको छ, चाहे हिल्ली र माउन्टेनियस एरियामा कभर भएको छ। यहाँ धेरै किसिमको माउन्टेनियस पिकहरू जुन फेमस छ पुरै नेपालमा, जस्तै कि गौरी शंकर, लाङटाङ माउन्टेन, जुगल माउन्टेन, गणेश माउन्टेन. Such a mountains peaks are situated in this province. The river like the Trishuli, Bagmati, Bhote, Kosi. So such a water resources or the rivers are going to flow in this province upon there. The some of the major castes are, that is the Bhote, Sherpa, Brahman, Kshetri, Tharu, Magar, Tamang, Jiril, Dasnami, Dalit. Such a caste are going to live in this province number 3 or the Bagmati province inside of there. And यो province मा बस्ने मान्छेहरु को छ भने भोटे, शेर्पा, थारू, तामाङ, जिरेल, ब्राह्मण, क्षेत्री, दशनामी, दलित. Such a caste are there who are going to live in this province. Now they are going to say they are the various religious sites are there. काठमाडौँ आफैमा धेरै मन्दिरहरुको शहर भनेर चिनिन्छ। मठ मन्दिर, चाहे हिस्टोरिकल मोनुमेन्ट, चाहे रिलिजियस मोनुमेन्ट, योहरुले भरिपूर्ण भएको त्यो ठाउँ भनेर चिनिन्छ। And we found that there the major religious sites are there or the historical sites are there. That is the Planchok Bhagavati, Dakshin Kali, Dolkha Bhimeshwar, Bauddhanath Stupa, Bodha Nilikant, Swambhu, Pashupatinath, Gosai Kund, त्यसपछि Devghat, which is not written in our book. At the same that the more that religious sites are there which are located in this Bagmati province. Now they are going to say that the reconstruction of the historical monument like the Rani Pokhri, Dharharra, old places and the temples has added an attraction for the tourist. भन्छ यो प्रोभिन्समा नि भूचालोले गर्दाखेरि धेरै क्षति भएको थियो। धेरै 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 जस्तै कि तिमीहरु सुनेको छ होला कि नेपालको एउटा मात्र धरहरा थियो जुन भीमसेन धरहरा भनेर चिनिन्थ्यो। त त्यो न्यूली कन्स्ट्रक्ट हुन पाएको छ र फोटो हेरिरहेको छ होला। त्यो पहिला भत्किसकेको त्यो भूचालोमा त्यो फेरि कन्स्ट्रक्ट भनेर यस्तो ब्युटिफुल बनाएको छ। रानी पोखरीको बीचमा एउटा टेम्पल रहेको छ, त्यो टेम्पल पनि भत्किसकेको थियो। त्यस्तो त्यस्तो रिकन्स्ट्रक्सन वर्कले गर्दाखेरि हिस्टोरिकल मोनुमेन्टहरुको रिकन्स्ट्रक्सनले गर्दाखेरि त्यो ठाउँमा झन बढी टुरिस्टहरु जान सकिरहेको छ। अब हेर कि त्यो ठाउँको मान्छेहरुको मेजर अकुपेसन भनेर के हो भने फर्स्ट that is the tourism industry, another agriculture, third trade and business, fourth that is the services na governmental service or the private services, at the same that foreign employment. So in this way the people who are going to live in this area upon there, they are going to depend upon the various type of the occupation like the tourism industry, then after the trade and business, then after the agriculture, then after the industrialization, then after the last one, that is the foreign employment. In this way, they are going to live in the province number 3 or the Bagmati. Any confusion? You have any confusion, dear students, about the Bagmati province and the province number 2?
No, sir.
तिमीहरु आफै बसिरहेको धेरै कुरा जानकारी छ नै। अब प्रोभिन्स नम्बर 3 कहाँ छ त्यो ठाउँको मात्रै जानकारी पायो भने बाँकी कुराहरु जानकारी पाउन सक्छौ। यस यो एरिया जुन 13 वटा डिस्ट्रिक्टहरुको कम्बिनेसन छ, दोलखा, रामेछाप, सिन्धुली, काभ्रे, प्लाञ्चोक, सिन्धुपाल्चोक, रसुवा, नुवाकोट, धादिङ, चितवन, मकवानपुर, भक्तपुर, ललितपुर र काठमाडौँ, त्यो सबै एरिया ओगट्ने ठाउँ हो बागमती प्रोभिन्स। र त्यहाँको तिमीहरुलाई थाहा छ कि त्यहाँ धेरै किसिमको माउन्टेनहरु छ, त्यसको नाममा भन्दिहाले। त्यहाँ धेरै किसिमको रिभरहरु छ, त्यो पनि नाममा भन्दिहाले। त्यसपछि धेरै किसिमको जात जातिहरु बस्दो रहेछ। अलरेडी आई हैव सीड अपन देयर। At the same, the various type of the economic work are there, or the economic job employment they are going to do in the various sector. Due to that, their economic condition is going to be raised more. So that's the name one by one I have said. Now they are going to the various type of trade centers are there. That is the Kathmandu, Bhaktapur, Lalitpur, Banepa, Hatauda, Chitwan, Dhulikhel. These all places are very famous for the trade center for there also, tourism industry for there also. In the various sector for there, they are going to do the work. In this way, they are going to earn the money and they are going to survive in the province number 3. Now, let's come the next page. They are going to say, they are going to talk the next province, that is the province number 4. That is the Gandaki province. र Gandaki province है र कि बागमती province छ नि त्यसको ठ्याक्कै नर्थ वेस्ट तिर, मतलब बागमती province नम्बर 2 को ठ्याक्कै माथि छ र त्यसको वेस्टर्न साइडमा गण्डकी province छ। तिमीहरु हेर्न सकिरहेको छ। Are you going to see in the small map of Nepal there? हेरिरहेको छ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. They are going to say that Gandaki province one we are going to discuss that now. So according to the book, they are going to say the total area, that is the 14.61% area is going to located. Population of Nepal, June 2,64,94,504 छ, त्यसको 9.07% only peoples are going to live in this province upon there. The 11 districts like the Gorkha, Lamjung, Tanhu, Kaski, Manang, Mustang, Parbat, Sangja, Magdi, Baglung, Navalparasi East, such districts are located inside of the Gandaki province. According to the book, they are going to see the more that from the 753, the 85 local level of government is situated inside of the Gandaki province. That is the 58 rural municipality, 26 municipality. रुरल म्युनिसिपालिटी भनेको बुझिरहेको तिमीहरु, त्यसलाई नेपालीमा भन्छ गाउँपालिका। बाँकी त बुझिरहेको छ होला। म्युनिसिपालिटी भनेको नगरपालिका, सब मेट्रोपोलिटन सिटी भनेको उपमहानगरपालिका, मेट्रोपोलिटन सिटी भनेको महानगरपालिका. So that the detailed information is going to given about the Gandaki province, and up to now the probable headquarter of the Gandaki province is that is the Pokhara. अब जहाँ पोखरा छ तिमीहरुलाई थाहा छ कि पोखरा हरेक मान्छेले जाने इच्छा हुन्छ। किन जाने इच्छा हुन्छ भने because that area no, the province number 4 or the Gandaki province, that is once again situated in the hilly and mountainous area of Nepal. There are the various type of the beautiful place like the Manang, Mustang also lies in this province upon there only. The Lumle, a place receiving highest rainfall in the country, Dana Gorge, the world's deepest gorge, are also located in this province. The river like the Kali Gandaki, Marsangdi, Sepi, and their tributaries flow through the province. Dhaulagiri, Manaslu, Hiuchuli, Annapurna, Machaputre, such a mountainous peaks are there which are going to situated inside of them. माने यहाँ खाली natural beauty हरु यति छ, so that the peoples are maximum interested, more interested to visit, so that there the various tourism development for their paragliding, rafting, then for the mountaineering, such a work by doing upon there, peoples are going to earn the money. Now the you see the more the famous lakes like the Tidicho Lake, you have listened the name I think, Theva Lake, Rupa Lake, Begnas Lake, such a natural beauty places are there, which is very important places of the Nepal situated inside of the Gandki province. And Nepal को यसमा compare गर्दाखेरि province number Gandki province, then about the Bagmati province and province number 1 त्यो natural beauty को लागि राम्रो मानिएको छ because there are the varieties of the flora and fauna are there, varieties of tourism centers are there, varieties of the peaks and the rivers are there, lakes are there. Due to that, the maximum tourists are willing to visit in this locality or the area. Now, कस्तो कस्तो जातको मान्छेहरु बस्दै रहेछ, let's see according to the book. They are going to the some of the major caste of that area is that is the Magar, Gurung, Brahmin, Thakali, Chetri, Dura. Etc are the main inhabitant of this province. Inhabitant भनेको हुन्छ त्यहाँ बस्ने मान्छे, स्थानीय बासिन्दा भन्छ है नेपालीमा. Inhabitants भनेको त्यहाँ बस्ने मान्छेहरु. त्यहाँ बस्ने मान्छेमा पर्न गयो मगर, गुरुङ, ब्राह्मण, थकाली, छेत्री, डिउरा और दुरा. Such a caste are there which are going to located or situated inside of there. यहाँको एजुकेसन पनि राम्रो छ किनभने पोखरा युनिभर्सिटी, then about the various educational institutions have been providing the educational opportunity here, have increased literacy rate inside of the province. यहाँको province number 2, sorry, it's my mistake, गण्डकी province. मतलब यहाँको धेरै बहुमूल्य एजुकेसनहरु, टेक्निकल एजुकेसनहरु को लागि यो ठाउँ फेमस छ. त्यतिकै हायर एजुकेसन यहाँ प्रोवाइड गर्दै रहेछ. पोखरा युनिभर्सिटी यहाँ सिचुएटेड भएको छ. At the same, you found that the Sikkim Manipal University, you have listened the name I think, Manipal University. So there's Manipal from there, no, some of the college are also situated inside of there. So these all are the major destination for the higher education. Such a area is going to located inside of the Gandaki province. Gandaki province ni सबै कुराको लागि फेमस छ, एजुकेसनको लागि, टुरिज्म इन्डस्ट्रीको लागि, ब्युटिफुल सिन्सको लागि, लेक्सको लागि, माउन्टेन्सको लागि. We found that that's why the maximum tourist educational people or the educational personnel they are willing to visit in this province upon there. Now, you found that Galeshwar, Baglung Kalika, Muktinath, Rishikesh temple, Vindhyavasini temple, Mankamna temple, Tal Barahi, Dhor Barahi, etc. are the major religious sites in this province. Development of construction like the cable car, airport, stadium has increased much hopes in the people for the development. अब यो एरियामा आएर यहाँको प्रोभिन्सको गभर्नमेन्टले झन् राम्रो राम्रो कुराहरू गरेको छ. हुन त यो पहिलादेखि नै थियो तर त्यसलाई झन् व्यवस्थापन गर्न सकेको छ. त्यो हो केबल कार जुन अर्को एरियामा छैन. तिमीहरूले सुनेको छ होला कि नेपालमा केबल कार एक दुई ठाउँमा मात्रै छ. जस्तै कि म भनिदिन्छु, मनकामना टेम्पल गएको छ होला भने कुरिनटार देखि लिएर मनकामनासम्म 3.1 किलोमिटर है, 3.1 किलोमिटर एरिया केबल कारले कभर गरेको छ र त्यो पनि गण्डकी प्रोभिन्समै पर्छ. एट द सेम एयरपोर्ट त जहाँ पनि छ तर त्यहाँ अलरेडी छँदैछ, स्टेडियम बन्दै रहेछ. त त्यो कुराहरुले यो प्रुभ हुन सकिरहेको छ कि त्यो एरियाहरु झन् राम्रो विकास भइरहेको छ र हुन गइरहेको छ. There is the great possibility of the tourism development in this province. Pokhara, Bandipur, Gorkha, Mankamna, Muktinath, etc. are the tourist center in this province. Kali Gandaki, Marsangdi River, hydroelectric projects are producing and supplying electricity in good amount. Foreign employment, tourism, agriculture, services are the major occupation of the people. Production of the apple in this mountain region and coffee in the hilly region has made this province popular. अब भन्छ यो प्रोभिन्समा त सबै गड गिफ्टेड कुराहरु छदैछ. आर्टिफिशियल भन्नाले एउटा झन ब्युटी थप्नको लागि त्यहाँ धेरै किसिमको टुरिज्म इन्डस्ट्रीको लागि प्याराग्लाइडिङ भयो, राफ्टिङ भयो, बन्जो जम्पिङ भयो, यो कुराहरुले झन एट्र्याक्सन थपिएको छ. थप त्यहाँ के गर्न सक्छ भने हाइड्रो पावर प्रोजेक्टहरू नेपालको मेजर हाइड्रो पावर प्रोजेक्ट जहाँबाट विद्युत निकाल्दो रहेछ, जस्तै कि कालीगण्डकी ए हाइड्रो पावर प्रोजेक्ट, त्यसपछि मर्स्याङ्दी हाइड्रो पावर प्रोजेक्ट, योहरू प्रोजेक्टले गर्दाखेरि झन् त्यहाँ इकोनोमिक प्रस्पेरस हुन सकिरहेको छ। नाउ द एप्पल which is very famous fruits, you know, I think, at the same the coffee, such a cash crops and the food crops that is going to grow inside of that area. So in this way, the people who are going to live in this area, no, their occupations are that is the tourism industry, agriculture, trade and business, then after the foreign employment, services. By doing upon there, they are going to survive in the province number 4. Okay, any confusion more? Any confusion?
Time is also over.
Have you understood what I said up to now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, लेख्ने के नोट कसरी बनाउँथे मैले? हजुर सर,
टाइम ओभर पनि भइसकेको छ सर।
2 मिनट प्लिज, हुन्छ?
हुन्छ
ल।
हेलो दिपेश सर, तपाईको आवाज आएको छैन सर।
ओके, माइन्ड इट वन्स अगेन। मैले म भने के त्यो फेरि ध्यान दिएर सुन्न है। 4वटा प्रोभिन्सको बारेमा हामी पढायो, बुझ्यौ सायद? बुझ्यौ तिमीहरू?
यस सर।
ए त ल, नोट बनाउँदाखेरि के गर्ने नि कि प्रोभिन्स नम्बर 1 दिने, त्यो त्यसको नोट बनाउँदाखेरि त्यसमा एरिया, पपुलेसन, त्यसपछि डिस्ट्रिक्ट, कतिवटा डिस्ट्रिक्ट छ त्यो टेबल जस्तै बनाउँदै जाने, जुन यहाँ म देखाएको छु त्यस्तो टेबल बनाउने। त्यसमा लेख्ने एरिया, पपुलेसन, नम्बर अफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट, नम्बर अफ लोकल लेभल, त्यसपछि नम्बर द्याट माउन्टेनको टपिक दिएर माउन्टेनको नाम लेख्ने, रिभरको टपिक दिएर रिभरको नाम लेख्ने, कास्टको नाम दिएर कास्टको नामहरू लेख्ने, जतिवटा कास्ट छ त्यति कास्टहरू। त्यसपछि लेक्स छ भने लेक्सको नाम लेख्ने। इन दिस वे मेक द टेबल्स, प्रिपेयर द टेबल on the basis of the all the detailed information and try to submit me today or day after tomorrow. Okay, बुझ्यौ?
Yes sir.
टपिक नभने try to get the all the detailed information. त्यो टेबलैबाट यो प्रोपोज कि त्यहाँ तिमीलाई म ओरल क्वेशन पनि गर्दिए कि प्रोभिन्स नम्बर 1 मा कुन कुन स्टेट के रे कतिवटा डिस्ट्रिक्ट छ तिमीहरू ठ्याक्कै भन्न सकौ सर यतिवटा डिस्ट्रिक्ट छ, यो डिस्ट्रिक्टहरु छ, कुन माउन्टेन छ, यो माउन्टेनहरु छ। You can able to say such a notes you have and please submit me today or that or tomorrow. Okay, once again tomorrow will be added, so try to submit me today. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay, so bye bye for today.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye sir.
Number 5, 6, 7 शर्ट स्क्रिनशट लिन्छ भने सायद म हिजो लिन लगाइदिएको थिएँ, फेरि पनि लिन्छ ल्याऊ। पेज नम्बर 23 बाट सुरु गरौ है। प्रोभिन्स नम्बर 4 अफ द गण्डकी प्रोभिन्स। सो पेज नम्बर 23 प्रोभिन्स नम्बर 3 21 पेज नम्बर छ।
कति बेला हुआ कति के टेंशन होला तोरा से दुनु गय छलिया कति के टेंशन होला सुनु गय छलिया देखला ने
प्रोभिन्स नम्बर 2
हैं मोगु जका ने चुराब लगले फटसने हल्ला कैलु तोरा बाजे के चाहिए कि हमरा से लाइन तन से काम करी।
प्रोभिन्स नम्बर 1 यो पेजहरुको फोटोकपी फोटो ल्याऊ, टेक द स्क्रिनशट according to there you get all the detail information. Understands? लिसक्यो?
Okay sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Certainly you. Have you got your
Yes, sir.
answer?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. We have got.
For today. Tomorrow once discuss the points number 5, 6, and 7. Bye for today. God bless you. See you tomorrow.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.